Y'all, it's rainy, nasty. What the heck? I'm gonna go fishing. We're gonna do a little fishing from a little place on the edge of the river. It's got a cover over it, so having a little roof over your head keep you from getting soaking wet. Hurricane offshore, I guess. I don't know what the heck it is. I'm not following the news right now, but anyway, hang with us. See if we can put a fish in the boat on the dock bank. Y'all, we ain't hard after it today, but it's just real nice under this deck with all this hurricane weather going on. And I'm doing some river fishing, man. I love it. I'm kind of feeling lazy. All right, y'all. We fishing. We'll see what we can do. That looks like a bite, but the current's ripping. The rods were just bumping a second ago. We got white perch out. Hopefully we get hung up on a nice fish here in a minute. What do you think, boy?
I like it. I like it. Where'd you get that GoPro on?
From the stove.
From the stove, from the getting place.
Got it from the getting place, boy. Hang with us, y'all. Ooh, I need to sharpen this knife. My knife is dull. Oh yeah, your knife's sharp. Hey, I like your stuff, man. Perch fillet. All right, y'all. Use some white perch. I froze it and vacuum sealed it. And had time to get no bait before this. Got 5-ounce sinker on here. Using a Santee rig, Carolina style, and throw that thing out. See if this 5-ounce, weight will keep it in place. I'm gonna try to find the current break where this thing hits on. It's right on the edge of the current and spits it out in the eddy. That would be preferable. I like it. I swear I do. Y'all, Big Nasty done put me on my first carp. First carp I ever caught. And we're doing a little chumming with corn, jello and stuff, so. Right out here, I just threw the line. I ain't been out 5 minutes. So look at this bad boy. Easy, 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 fella. Let's see where that hook's at. Come here, big boy. Whoa. Come here, big boy. Oh, beautiful.
Here you go.
Thank you, sir. I'm fitting to let you go, buddy. Hang on. Alright, see if I can hold on to this rascal. Oh, it's gonna be like that video, ain't it?
Yep.
Come here, big boy. Hold on there. Look at there. Easy, boy. Easy. I'll clean it up. Look there. He's about 10 pounds, something like that. What do you think, Joe?
Oh, I think he's probably a little bit bigger than 10.
All right, let's let him go, y'all. Let's launch him. There he goes. First carp. That was sweet. 6-pound test. Pretty light rod there. That was fun, man. Let's do it again.
Get it, get it.
We get net.
We got him. He's swinging in.
A little channel or a little blue? May never know.
Looks like a little.
How y'all like this shot right here? Y'all like this? This is a rough shot, ain't it, y'all?
Channel cat
All right.
on carp bait.
Yes, sir. Boy, I missed the action on that one, y'all, but this thing took off. If he hadn't had his rod under that chair right there, it would have been gone.
Oh, Lord,
It was screaming drag right off the bat. Look at that fish, y'all. What's up, big boy?
That's a good one there.
That's number 2, ain't
That's a
it?
good river one there.
What you got? You got a channel cat and 2 carp, right?
Yeah, channel cat, 2 carp.
That's awesome, dude. That's a good looking fish.
This one was a strong one here.
That joker was screaming. Y'all see these 2 poles out here? There's 2 poles out here, and that fish went right around it, back between it, and all kinds of stuff. He still got it through.
Really?
Yes, sir. There he goes.
Gone.
What in the world?
What in the world?
What in the world?
What up?
That's it, boy. All right, y'all. So that's a wrap. We had a great time. I want to encourage y'all, man. If you got somebody you've been wanting to fish with and ain't had time to do it, make some time to do it, man. It's a lot of fun to get out and just get out of the normal routine. No, we didn't put no 50-pound catfish up there on the dock, but you know what? We had a good time just sitting there talking, hanging out, and catching fish together, man. That's what it's all about. So get out there, do some fishing with a friend, and just have some fun sitting in the outdoors together. This is Brian, Flint Hill Catfishing. Thanks for joining me for another episode. This is Brian with Flint Hill Catfishing. Thanks for joining for another. This is Brian with Flint Hill Catfishing. Thanks for joining for another episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll shut. Jeezy peasy, man. This is Brian with Flint Hill Catfishing. Thanks for joining for another episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.